I'm going to show you how to use technical analysis in order to always be sure about your profits. Yeah, your deposit isn't going to magically grow dozens of times. However, you will definitely make money instead of losing it due to chasing some barely possible risk multiplications. For the sake of variety today, I'm using Olymp Trade, although I do normally work with pocket option and recommend you to follow this reliable path too. So guys, let's start, shall we? Hello, my dear friends. Today we're trading on the Olymp Trade platform. We're gonna try and use technical analysis to increase the initial deposit by a couple of dozens of percent. I think that would be a nice result for a single trading session that's gonna last no more than 10 minutes. So just several of short profitable deals, I'm explaining to y'all my trading steps, my thought process that leads me to making money on a daily basis. I strongly recommend you to watch this video until the end in order to gain some fresh knowledge and be able to apply it in practice. I mainly record my trading sessions on this particular platform by request only. I normally trade elsewhere, so if you're looking for a fast and solid broker, the link to all my trading, socials, resources, and my broker is going to be waiting for you in the pinned comment or in the description below this video. Click the links and subscribe. The first deal has closed in profit. It was very easy. We can see the most classical resistance level out there. Let's take a horizontal line and mark it real quick. This is a so-called loss stop. Those traders who, for instance, trade on the forex market or the currency markets probably entered downwards at this point, just like we did, but they simply set a stop loss, which is a feature created to prevent your own losses on the other financial markets, essentially, above this resistance level. Basically, here's the resistance level. So this motion right here was required for pushing these traders' positions, and only after that did the price start falling completely or reversing. We've made money with this case by solely trading from the said level, so let's carry on. We're placing the next trade right here, an upwards one this time. This case is just as simple. We're currently witnessing a fabulous trend motion. There's also a certain level the chart bounces off of, along with this trend line right here that plays the role of support. Ideally, we would want to wait for the price to fall down until the line before placing an upward trade. But we'll see how our current trade plays out. Today we're trading with a 1 minute expiration time, keep that in mind, and we're therefore analyzing the chart within a 1 candle time frame. That means one red candle or one green candle takes exactly 1 minute to entirely form and settle. Here's the timer showing how much time is left until the candle is fully settled. Meanwhile, the second trade is about to come to its logical conclusion and hopefully close in profit. Let's see. Amazing, moving on to the next one. So we're placing another trade. The chart keeps on moving real close to the trend line, the one that plays the role of support. Let's draw it once again. Here's our trend line, although the price did occasionally cross it farther than expected in order to scare the traders off. However, the overall picture does look pretty appealing. There's also this horizontal resistance level that's been broken through, so nothing is really stopping the price from going further up. Given the long time span the chart had been falling for previously, the whole image reminds me of the triangle figure with a flat top that normally gets broken upwards according to the rules of technical analysis. This figure tends to be either some kind of a reversing figure or a figure signaling of a trend sequel. At the moment, the price is rolling back, so I have to place a couple of additional trades. Let's hope it's just a false, silly downward motion that will be eventually followed by further growth. So the market is not really volatile at the moment. We've got a sudden loss due to the technical differences of our trades this time, so we gotta keep trading upwards. The script does not change a bit. This candle right here is going to be done forming in like 4 seconds. Overall, we can confidently tell it's not intending to go anywhere farther this line. Thereby, there is literally nothing stopping the price from bouncing off the trend line, resuming its rise in motion, and return towards this resistance area at the very least. I've increased the deal amount in order to cover and make up for all the previous losses. That's totally alright. Let's just wait for the result. Wonderful, let's proceed. Here's a completely identical trading case, the same old figure called a flat top triangle, which the chart is soon to get out of. According to all the technical analysis rules, the price normally exits through the flat side. Basically, here's a flat horizontal level that's currently playing a role of resistance. The price is getting closer and closer to the highlighted level, so sooner or later we will have to break it upwards, either right after and immediately or after some kind of a retest of the broken level. Either way, I'm sure. Let's take a look. First, I believe since there was a long and extended downtrend, just like in the previous currency pair, we can easily expect the chart to reverse towards the downtrend. So there must be some kind of a strong upward motion. I think we could have confidently placed a longer trade with like 5 to 10 minutes of expiration time at the very least in order to be entirely sure the trade would successfully close and get us profit. So we're placing another trade of quite a simple kind. Despite this seemingly strong uptrend, we're trading against it. However, we do have a reason to. There is a pretty strong horizontal level right here that plays a role of resistance. We might as well see the price rapidly reacting to it. Even despite the whole current rising situation, we can increase the deal amount and place the trade meticulously at the level itself. Basically, the uptrend has stalled here for an unknown period of time. I'm not quite sure yet whether we should expect the price to reverse or alternatively break through the level, but some kind of a reaction is to occur, so we've placed our deals downwards. So the first trade has got us an amazing result. The deal was literally so close. The second one though will hopefully close a little bit more confidently so that we will have significantly increased the account balance by the end of the whole thing. I guess there's already no doubt this deal will end up to our favor. So guys, let's sum things up at this point. In literally like 10 minutes time spent in terms of our today's trading session, we've made an extra 50% to our deposit. You can go ahead and add 50% to your working trading account balance and find out how much you could have made had you traded together with me this time. Don't forget, you actually do have this opportunity. All you gotta do is click the link in the description and take part in today's trading session. So good luck everyone. See you in my next video. Bye bye.